Hello Edmonton, Rob Jastrzebski with RJ Homes and eXp Realty and
Ankit Hastir with RJ Homes and eXp Realty.
And here we are in the family-friendly neighborhood
Of Tamarack.
We're in Southeast Edmonton and you're gonna love this property. As you can tell, it is a detached home. It's fully developed and...
And we have a massive double-sized garage.
Double detached garage, and it's very special. You're gonna see there's a little bit of a mezzanine in there. Very cool. The other thing we have in the backyard is
a two-tier deck.
And it's covered and it has additional storage underneath. Best of all, the location is premium. Take a look, super quiet street across the street from the park. Now let's go in and have a look.
Let's do it.
Welcome indoors. As I always say, first impressions are everything. And when I open the door and I come in here, really, this home screams cozy. It has this family feel to it. Everywhere you look, everything's move-in ready. Now, what I'm seeing here is a beautiful family room, open floor plan. Main floor is just perfect for entertaining. You have a kitchen that has plenty of space for all your guests. At the back of the home, you have the dining area. Again, plenty of space for your dinners. And best of all, you can be part of the conversation. Now let's go upstairs and have a look what's up there. Ankit, take it away.
Well, thanks, Rob. Hey, family friendly, that's the theme here in this house. So right behind me are the two bedrooms. So it's the secondary bedroom and the third bedroom, right? So both of these bedrooms are decent size for a queen bed, but they also come with extra deep closets. Look at that. And this is the third bedroom. Same thing. Big enough for a queen bed and an extra deep closet. Have a look. Now right opposite the second and the third bedroom, come with me, we're going to the primary bedroom. Look at that space. Oh my God, this is a king size bed and you still have so much space all around it. This bedroom comes with a walk-in closet and an ensuite. Cameraman, take it from here. Yes, of course, apart from the ensuite, there's a full bath for the children or guests. Are you guys excited to see the basement? Rob, take it from here.
Hey, thanks, Ankit. Before we go downstairs, come check this out. There's a cool feature in here, this main floor. Take a look. Nice little office space. How often do you see that in a home this size? Not only that, at the back, before you head outside, you have a convenient two-piece bathroom right there by the back door. Of course, you guys noticed the beautiful island here, eat-up island nevertheless. And as you can tell, there's plenty of space for 3, maybe even 4 stools right there. Now, let's go downstairs and check out this fully developed basement. Okay, come on down here, check out this space. How beautiful and bright is this? It's a very well thought out floor plan. There's plenty of space in here for a living area. There's a fully finished storage area. And check this out, full bathroom. It's very spacious, and check out that walk-in shower. How cool is that? And we're not done yet. What would a basement development be without the bedroom? Check it out. Really good sized bedroom with plenty of space for a queen size bed. And look at the size of that walk-in closet. And we're still not done down here. Can you guess what's behind this door? Check it out. Laundry room. Not just any laundry room. Check out this cool little shelving unit that's built right in. That way you can keep all your laundry soap out of sight and out of mind. And we're still not done. We still have to go outside and the garage. Ankit, take it away.
This is my favorite part of the house. This is a two-tiered deck which is covered so you can enjoy summer barbecues even when it's too sunny or it's raining. How cool is that?
Well, thanks, Ankit. And you know what? This is not just another regular garage. Check this out. It's a double detached garage finished in plywood. That's right. It's so much easier to work with than drywall, for example. And you have to take a look at this. All of this shelving comes with it. Really cool feature, we've got a mezzanine storage area up above. How cool is that? Okay, and here we are. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video all the way to the end. Isn't this just a beautiful home, Ankit?
That's right. And if you have any friends or family you think this is the perfect home for them, please share this video to them.
You never know, it might be the perfect property for one of your friends.